G'day guys, Jack here from DeeperLook Web Design. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to hide a draft page or draft pages from your WordPress menu. Typically WordPress won't allow you to add a draft page to your menu. However, if you have a published page already in your menu and you turn that to a draft, guess what? WordPress doesn't hide it, which means that visitors can still see the link. And when they go to that link, it comes up with a 404 page, which would annoy them. It would annoy me, and they might go to your competition. You might lose a sale, you might lose a lead, and it's an all-round bad thing to happen. So what we want to do today is show you how to hide them without having to go through the menu and remove them manually. It's just a quick script that we've created for you, and you can quickly add it to your theme or your website, I should say, your WordPress website, by doing the following instructions. In your dashboard, go to Appearance, jump down to Theme Editor. Now we'll land in the style.css file. What we want to do is find the function.php file. Now for us it's right at the top, but yours might be down the bottom, so locate that, click on it for me, and scroll right to the bottom and insert the following code. This bit of code right here. Hide draft pages from the menu. So this is a bit of code we've created that will allow you to hide your draft pages straight away. You can find this code in the link below on our blog article that goes through the issue, the client, the solution, and provides you with a little bit of code that you can paste into your theme functions file, just like we have now. Now, once you've done that, press update, and guess what? All your draft pages that are in your menu are now hidden. Now, when you go to publish those pages later on, they'll reappear straight away automatically without you having to touch anything or do anything manually. Just keep this bit of script in your theme function file and it's all done for you. If you've got any questions whatsoever, feel free to give us a bell or shoot us an email. Let us know, or leave a comment below. It might be the easiest way to do it. Leave us a comment below if it works, if it's great, if you love it. If not, tell us why. Thanks guys, all the best and have a great day. Cheers.